If you're not getting what you want, today's drink is for you. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. I'd like all kinds of things in life that I'm not getting right about now, but you don't see me acting bitter or angry because I have the perfect solution right here. To make my happy potion, all you do is combine 1 ounce of reposado tequila, 1 ounce Stiggins fancy Plantation pineapple rum, 1/2 ounce Grand Marnier, 1/2 ounce pineapple coconut juice, and 3/4 of an ounce fresh lime juice. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. Share with others, but not with anyone who's currently annoying you. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.